How to use ClickUp for project management. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for project management. This video is just a quick and easy overview to get you started on ClickUp, so please keep on watching. First thing you're going to do is to click this home button at the left side of the screen and you'll end up on your board. You can view this board in several ways such as list, board, or Gantt. This board provides us with an overview of our projects. Now let's discuss creating a new task. This is very simple. Just click on this new task right here and add in your task. You may also assign a person to do it by clicking on the assignee. If you need to finish this task by a specific time, set a due date right here. Set the priority if you'd like to. Just select the level of priority. You may also change the status of the task. Click on the status and change it to complete or in progress. Then, you can set budget, spent, and budget remaining details of the task. If you want to add more categories, you may also do so. And that's how you use ClickUp for project management. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!